Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Urbana to come and figure out at this house right behind me. It is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home, and it is asking $725,000. It just hit the market today. My buyers are right behind me, and we're gonna go get this thing up and see, is it worth it? Just walked in the front door. This place is pretty. Just to the left is the formal living. Got hardwood floors throughout. Dining over here. Looks like these floors were refinished, but I don't think they did a very good job on it. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. They definitely look refinished, but it does not look like a great job. Gas fireplace, family room connects into the kitchen, table space, bar top, and powder room. Really big kitchen. I like this space a lot. I think my buyers might also. And what do we have here? Oh, and the garage. And opens up into a nice deck. It walks out into the yard. If you caught the house we looked at on Cliff View, also in Frederick, very similar layout. That one is certainly newer, but very similar layout with the neo-traditional style. And we did write on that one, we just could not come to terms with the seller. So this might be a really good fit for them, I don't know. Let's head upstairs and see what that looks like. And we have LVP flooring up here. Bedroom number 1, really nice size. Bedroom number 2, also really nice size. Hall bath, very pretty, nice tile work. And a standing shower. Bedroom number 3, which they are using as an office. And the master. Good space. And we have a big walk-in closet. Plenty of space for even a California king. Oh, this bathroom's been updated for sure. So we got a dual vanity, marble shower, toilet and soaking tub. That's nice. This house is going to be hard to beat, I think. Let's go check out the basement. Well, this is definitely not a creepy basement. So first we have a nice wet bar and a full bath. I bet this is storage. What in the world? Storage, laundry. It's interesting. Leave that open. And we got our gas water heater. That was from 18. And our furnace, I believe, is from 15. There's just more storage in here. Back here we have another room, not officially a bedroom, but currently set up as using it. And I think would make a great guest space. And now let's check out the rest of the rec room. They got it set up for workout. Lots of great space for hanging out or entertaining. And this is one way you can tell it's a newer build, is the full-size egress window with the escape steps. Hello, hello. Did you guys make it?